What's up, team? Welcome back to a fantastic chemistry podcast. My name is Pete. I am your host. And we have a Tuski, another host. And he's somewhere around here. You will see him. Anyway, new chapter, new day. Let's catch up real quick. How you guys doing? I hope you guys doing just fine. We've been about almost halfway done. So chapter 7 in the middle of this chapter is mark halfway of the whole course. All right. Now for me, I'm doing fine physically. I've been working out, just competed in a CrossFit competition. My body is still sore, but physically I'm doing excellently. Mentally, however, not so good. This class is mentally taxing, man. really, really difficult. Well, you got to this point now. I'm sure you get an idea why this class is difficult. Normally, for me, I teach this class in 16 weeks. So like basically a regular semester. This is the first time I teach this class in only 4 weeks. 4 weeks. It's really, really mentally taxing. 16 weeks for me, I go to lecture 3 times a week, 15 minutes each. I have some time between each lecture to prepare for the next lecture, right? And I have time to make a quizzes, make an exam, monitor student progress. If someone doesn't do well, I can just talk to them or contact them. Okay, what's going on? Check in. But this, I don't have time at all. Just keep going chapter after chapter after chapter. Yeah, I mean, it's really difficult. But well, we will get through this together. I'm sure I'll be fine at the end. Maybe really tired, exhausted at the end, and do the same. So hang in there. So we are in this together. Yes. All right. Now we're on chapter 7. So this is gonna be a second type of reaction that you're gonna see. The first type is an acid-base reaction, right? Nucleophilic attack on proton, like we call proton transfer or an acid-base reaction. That's the first reaction that you have seen. This will be the second type that you're gonna see. Okay, but there's some basic from chapter 6 and chapter 2. There are still basics there, nothing that are like way different. Okay, all right, let's review what you have seen so far. All right, so bond line structure, you need to get that in hand. If you can't read the bond line structure, how many carbon, how many hydrogen, you're gonna have a hard time learning this, going through this class. pKa table, memorize some of those, right? Maybe you don't have the whole thing, but the one that we use very often, right? So this gotta be in hand. You have seen an acid-base reaction, so that's gonna be your help for this chapter 7. Another skill that you need to get in hand is the conjugation and resonance arrow. The curve arrow, really, really important, right? We don't use just the curve arrow just in the resonance structure, but we do in the reaction. We have seen in the acid-base reaction. This chapter 7, chapter 8, actually from 7 until the end, the curve arrow we're gonna weigh heavily on the curve arrow. Stereochemistry, we have learned about chirality, right? We have enantiomer, diastereomer, meso compound. When you do a reaction, for example, you will see in this chapter, in the next chapter, when you do this reaction, you could get 1 product, 2 product, 3 product. Some of them are stereochemistry. It could be enantiomer, it could be diastereomer. You should be able to identify the stereo relationship between them. Okay, so you can differentiate them. All right, and we got hyperconjugation. If you don't remember what it is, go back to chapter 6. Should be like at the very end, middle to the end, like second half of chapter 6. It's just one video. Please go look at the carbocation stability. All right, go take a look at that. We're gonna use that in this chapter. Okay.